talk.
Hello everyone, this is my Clips Rf7 Series 3 unboxing. I recently unboxed, a while back, Rf7 Series 1, the originals. Now I'm doing the Rf7 Series 3, which I know I skipped the Rf7 Series 2 speakers, but unfortunately I couldn't find any at the time. So we're skipping to the Rf7 Series 3, which I will eventually hopefully be able to either do an unboxing for the Rf7 Series 3 or be able to show them off if I get them. It's hard to find them because, especially in the cherry wood that I like, I know you can find them in blackwood and all that, but I like them in cherry wood. So, alright, so first off, what do we got here? So we got a manual for Rf7 and RC64 Rf7 3s and RC64 3s. See, that's the manual. We're going to keep that for sure. And I do have an RC64, but it's the Series 2 one because I liked it. It was on sale. A guy gave it to me for really cheap. And it was complete cherry wood, which is what I'm eventually going to get the Rf7 Series 2 in, because they were the only ones that made speakers in complete cherry wood, like completely, the whole thing in cherry wood. Like some of them, most of them have like this black stuff on them, but the Rf7 Series 2 do not. They are completely in cherry wood except for the grills. I mean, the grills are black. Alright, I don't know what this is, but it is pretty freaking heavy. And we're gonna unbox this, find out what this crap is. It is heavy as can be. So you know what? Let's start with this. Where's my knife? Oh, my knife's right here. Start with this. And we got two of these to unbox. We're gonna start with this one. Oh wow, what is this? I don't even know. Oh my gosh, is this like a plaque? Hold on, babe. I gotta carefully unbox this. I think this is like a plaque for like people to find out. Wow. You guys, this is pretty cool. You know what? I'm gonna do this with tape just because it's got a strong tape on it. We might be able to not have to even use tape. Cool. What is this thing? Oh, never mind. It's not no plaque. This is the stands they go on. See, this is the stand. You put them on this. Now, I'm gonna have to figure out how all that works. But what is that? A little bit of marks on this one, but it's just the way it is. So we're gonna put that to the side. Hope this isn't all where it's like you have to put it all together. I've never gotten the Rf7 Series 3s, but figured the grill's gonna be separate, but
You need to move out of the way.
oh wow. Okay, these are beautiful. They are definitely, I hope that's cherry wood still though. This looks more like walnut. I guess this might be the cherry wood, but I don't know. These definitely don't look as nice. That's what I was hoping for. Guess we're gonna take them out, but I'm not loving the wood. Look at that. That does not look like cherry wood to me. Though on the back you can clearly. Oh yeah, might be like a darker. I don't know about this. This can't be cherry wood. Does it say anything that says like clearly that it's cherry wood? This is looking more like walnut to me. Oh, let me see it. I may have to call them out on this. I don't know. I'm reading this. Hold on. Find out. It does say cherry wood somewhere on here. I'm trying to find where it said that. It does say natural cherry. I'm not sure about this. I'm not loving it, you guys. This, to me,
Where's your white stood?
I don't like that it's upside down either. Like, what the hell? Yeah, this is upside down. Maybe that's why it doesn't look as good. I guess we're gonna have to flip it. Let's get the grill out first, I guess. I'm not loving this. I'm seeing why people may say, I mean, this to me just does not look cherry. I may have to contact the guy. We'll find out. I mean, 'cause something ain't right.
You can't return it.
Yes, I can.
How?
These do not look right. I'm just saying, you guys, I've never seen... This is walnut. I did not ask for walnut, which is what it's looking like to me. I asked for cherry wood. Okay, that's the grill, the magnet grill. I'm not loving this, you guys. I'm actually kind of disappointed. Because I swear I've seen cherry wood.
Do I pause it or not?
No. Hold on. I'm going to look it up online. I mean, that does kind of look like the cherry wood. I mean, wow. Yeah, there's definitely a difference, though, in the color. I guess we'll just have to wait till we get it out of the box. This may be the cherry wood, you guys. It just does not look. Yeah, it does say natural cherry. It does say that. I just found where it says it. So, I have no idea. Oh my gosh. Gotta be careful not to hurt myself. Doing this, I just hurt myself. The last ones in these are supposed to be 10 times heavier. So. Wow. Oh, okay. Okay, wow.
They don't want to see her butt.
Huh?
They don't want to see her butt.
Hold on, you guys. I gotta get it out of the box. First. Whew. I mean, the wood on it, it's a different color. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it just yet. I'm telling you, it's a different color. It's definitely something different. I'll give you that much. All right, we're gonna try and get it out carefully. Oh, wow. Now the woofers on this are nice. Wow. But if you look at, this must, like I said, be a very dark cherry wood. Because that's not what, I mean, this is different. Now the speaker itself is nice. I'm not gonna lie. The speaker is nice, but I'm not going to be too happy. I'm going to have to probably contact the dude tomorrow and find out if he actually sent me a cherry wood pair. Not like the original, or not original, but walnut, because I didn't want walnut. But I mean, this is kind of looking like the pictures I'm seeing online. This just may be the new version of cherry. What do you think, babe? Does that look like cherry wood to you?
It does, dude.
It doesn't. I mean, look at this. Compared to that. This is dark.
I don't know.
Do you mind helping me with one thing? Hold on. I'm going to try carefully pull this out.
Are you gonna put the stands on the thing?
Well, first, try and set it up.
You don't
Okay,
need-
yeah, this may be cherry wood. Does say natural cherry. Yep, this is the cherry wood. I mean,
Put it over there, dude.
you can definitely tell. It's just, I mean, man, that is some dark ass cherry. I mean, wow. These.
Why in the hell did you put this on?
Does it have screws for it? We're gonna try and put the stands on. I'm gonna face
Put it
this.
laying down. Laying down.
I don't want to lay it down because I'll scratch it.
You could have done it before you picked it up.
Well, we're gonna lay it down in a second. So where's the stand? The stand's here. So we're gonna try and put the stand on. Now, what's so cool about these is this is all magnet. That is pretty cool. And I do see it's quite bigger than the other Rf7. It is quite much bigger. You can definitely tell a difference.
You're gonna have to put something down, dude. Sorry.
I mean, you could definitely tell from in this image that it is definitely different and it's bigger. Now, where did you put the stand?
I don't know where you put it.
Okay, so I have to set this down. Now I'm gonna have to figure this part out. You've obviously got to put the stand on. So you're saying I need to set it flat, Bay?
Yes.
I'm scared to do this. Let me go from the behind just so if it does fall, it can land on me instead of hitting something. Ooh. Okay, okay, okay. All right, so it's on something. Hopefully we won't scratch it. Now, I'm gonna put this on. So, first of all, where's the screws you said? Said there were screws. Alright, so let's see. So it's supposed to go like that? Huh. Very interesting. Very different from anything I've ever seen. But that does look right. Alright, so we're going to do this. And I guess this is the cherry wood, you guys. It's definitely different. Wow, why does it come with so many screws? Okay. It comes with like these. This I don't get. Is this the. Okay, this part to me doesn't make no sense. Okay, there's got to be instructions. Because otherwise this is going to be too confusing. Oh, here's how you put the stand on. Okay. So we're going to have to look at this. Huh. Interesting. That is bizarre. Okay, so you start out with the big screws, supposedly. I hope we don't need a screwdriver, which it does look like we might. What I'm afraid of is, yeah, I was right. This is going to be more difficult than I thought. I'm probably going to have to turn this whole speaker on its side because you've got to do this sideways. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these are much, I'm going to tell you from experience, these seem to be a lot more difficult than Rf7's, the Series 1s. I'm like, kind of in shock.
The one is the grandpa had.
Those seem to be better. I'm just going to be, oh, that one good. Well, we're going to turn this sideways and hope for the best.
Can you move my brush out of the way?
Oh yeah, what's your brush even doing here? Alright, you guys. This is going to
I'm
be...
really gonna smack this boy.
Alright, so now we should be able to do this.
I think it's the opposite, dude.
Oh, it is, because, no. Because look, it's not the opposite. Because look, it's going to go like this.
I thought the bigger square goes that way.
This is going to go like this. We need these wires out of my way. For certain. I need the big screws. Probably going to need to go get a screwdriver, you guys.
You're doing it.
This really sucks.
Holy shit. This is huge.
The grill?
Yes.
All of it's huge. And this is all, you guys, different.
This is like fucking brand new.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? That's why they had it upside down. It's got to be upside down, you guys. Oh, jeez.
What?
It's got to go upside down. It won't even go on. Yeah, you guys, this is frustrating.
That means like you have to do it on that side.
Yeah. And I'm not loving that. We're hoping we don't scratch this motherfucker, because, I mean, I'm not loving having to...
I'm confused. You have to put this on the top or on the bottom?
It goes on the bottom, but... Hey, where's the stand?
I'm really confused.
It had to go right here, yes. It goes like...
The fuck?
Crap.
What kind of shit is that?
Hold on.
I don't get that.
Okay, yeah, I'm not fully getting this either. Yeah, you guys, this is the most confusing thing I've ever dealt with. Oh, I guess it goes like that.
And guys, you see why I don't get into speakers like him? He told me straight out, oh, I'm going to turn my wife into a speaker fetish.
Oh, I've got to get her into the... She likes the Rf7 series ones.
I'm not going to collect the whole dumb speakers.
Hold on, you guys.
I'm really not going to collect a whole bunch of speakers. That means that that's a hoarder. With speakers after speakers after speakers. That's a hoarder. I told him he's a hoarder, but he just don't listen. He just really don't listen. That's why I keep my mouth shut.
What were you saying, Boogie?
Nothing.
What did you say?
Nothing.
What, are you saying you weren't going to collect them like me?
Nope.
She loves speakers, you guys. She just...
I don't...
She's not as crazy about them like I am. That's for sure. Okay, so that goes like that.
That
Cool.
wait, that goes on the head?
Yes, and then I'm not done.
I thought that has to go on the floor.
It does. This part is the stand. It's like the feet of it, but it's a stand instead.
So that goes on the floor?
Yes, that part touches the floor once it's done. Correct.
So that head, the one that you just put on, you have to flip it over?
No.
I don't
Yes,
get.
yes.
This is why I don't get shit about speakers. I don't. It confuses me.
Alright, well, we got that part going.
It confuses me a lot.
These kind of speakers, I'm going to be honest with you guys, this definitely isn't my favorite one, just because how...
He is. He's just lying.
No, it's really nice because it's huge, but I got to tell you guys, this is a lot of work to put into one speaker. I mean, I hope the RF7 Series 2s aren't this difficult, honestly, because it's like, I'm excited to get those. Okay, why is this not going in? Now I'm having a new problem, you guys. See, this is the problem with this. How nice.
But you still have a picture of him.
Okay, you know what? There's something wrong here, you guys. That's not... is not making any sense. Unless I haven't lined something up right, which is possible as well. Let me see, maybe I didn't do something right on this side, because it does say this is correct. This is going to be a long video, you guys, just because I'm having...
I just told her there's a dress that she sends you, and then I told her, yeah, she would, I'm sure. It's like, I put this together. And I told her she liked that one. She said to get that one.
Okay, you guys, now we got to figure out what's wrong with this. Because the screw should... Okay, it's in there. We got it, finally. We just need the...
Why in the hell is she... They both...
What's this cube for? I don't even know what some of this crap is for.
Why in the heck did he just... They both make a new group chat?
That I have no idea, babe. Okay, I learned, you guys, you just gotta screw it really tight, supposedly. Man, though, it's gotta be, like, really tight in there. Ooh, I don't wanna... Alright, so the stand's on. Now, what's the next step? And the worst part is I have to do this to the next one too. I mean, you guys, this is definitely different. I'm gonna say that much. I mean, how does this even work? What are these for? Oh, they're optional spikes. Well, we don't want spikes. Okay, so we don't need these. These said they're optional. We're not using those. We got the stand. Main thing. Don't need these right now. So,
Look what I told her.
put this back in the box.
Hey, look what I told her. I said, I miss you too, baby D.
Alright, next, I guess we'll put on the grill next. So we're going to put this back in the box. This stuff, you pack it in, I guess. And you guys, I gotta say, these are cool speakers, don't get me wrong. These are awesome looking, but they are some work for people who don't like to have to put things together.
He's crazy for speakers.
This definitely wouldn't be for you. Now, if you buy them used and someone's already, I could see like it being fine because they probably won't have to put them together. But if you're buying these brand new, and which I just did, yeah, I had to literally put them together myself, and it's like I didn't know what I was doing. The instructions are pretty simple. I'm not going to say like it's too difficult, but for people, like I said, that don't enjoy that kind of stuff, this may not be for you. Like, really.
That's not it for me either. I'm not a speaker.
Now, this is the part Linda's going to like, because I know her. Where did you put that other box that was here?
Which one?
That was another box. Let's
Really?
look. Isn't that, there's the, why did you go on there? That was the box I was going to put this in. Hold on, you guys.
Ega's on.
Who?
Ega.
Ego. Live?
No, she's on.
She's always online. All the time. Alright, so that's basically done. We basically did the basis. So that's cool. So the basis is taken care of, and I'm guessing you would turn
This one is the Rf7 series. What?
3. Why? What are you doing?
I'm sending a picture to in the group.
Like I said, these are cool speakers, you guys. Don't take that.
He said that they're not. They're not. He's lying.
Ha ha ha. Funny. Boo! Now this is gonna be the problem. Is setting them up straight. Alright, the good news. Oh! Okay, you guys, just warning you, these are 97 pounds.
90.
7.
Move it over there.
Alright, hold on. Alright, you guys.
They're like extra taller than the other one.
I said that. Okay, we got a little bit of a problem though. Because it acts like this is going to fall.
What are you gonna get? An Rf7 series 4?
So you know what, you guys? Hold on. We don't want it to fall. So I'm thinking for now. So yes, this is it. This is what it'll look like. Take the grill off. This is the cool part. I do love this. See that, Bay?
Mm-hmm.
Look, this is your favorite part. Oh crap.
Ooh.
It's magnet. That part is pretty cool.
Put this somewhere.
Like I said, it's got some cool features, you guys. It's just the cherry wood isn't as nice. I'm gonna say that right off the bat. To me, this looks like normal wood, but I mean, they definitely went with a darker cherry this time around. You can definitely tell they went with a darker cherry. But I gotta say, it's still a nice speaker. And I'm not in love with the cherry, though. That. Oh, no. Don't want to grab it with that. I forgot. Always take your grills off, you guys, when you're planning on moving speakers. Always. Because, yeah, you're probably gonna... Oh, I think I see the problem. This right here is... Which we can't have it like that. It's like bundled up.
She said, do you want a video, Chad?
Who?
Elizabeth.
Tell her busy.
Do I tell her I'll let you know?
Oh,
Do I tell her?
something like that. Mother. I mean, these are so heavy too, you guys, that like, wow.
Probably Elizabeth is getting annoying that you're a speaker fetish.
But, yeah, this is the speaker, you guys. We're going to test it after we get the other one out.
He's a speaker fetish.
Alright, so now you guys, this is, I'm going to show you. This is the Rf7 Series 3 cherry wood. I could definitely see the gloss of it, like when it's in the light. I mean, look at that compared to this. This is the Series 1, you guys. Gotta admit, the Series 1 definitely had a better look. I mean, even the woofers compared to this look a lot more gold looking. I'm definitely more fond of the Series 1, but I gotta say, these are still very nice speakers. I can see why people still like the Series 1s, though. Like, I mean, look at the cherry wood. But, yeah, it's still cherry, you guys, because, I mean, look. When I come to the back, you'll even see, if you can read that. Come on. See? It says natural cherry. Be stock. So, these are cherry. I wonder if they're not the cherries, though. I'll just have to find out. Like, I mean, so I'm definitely, like I said, I'm not loving the... I wonder if there's another darker cherry wood Rf7. I'm going to have to look and find out. Because this... Definitely not what I was looking for. And I gotta say, though... Can I have my phone? I'm going to look up something. Rf7. I mean, when you see, though, people with them, yeah, but, like, yeah, that's what I don't understand. Like, you see videos of them, and they look nicer.
You want me to pause it or not?
No. Series 3. Because I'm just looking this up, you guys. One thing I want to see something. Here's a video of someone with one. I'm going to show you that. I mean, I guess that's them. I mean, but look at this. Wait. Hold on. I wonder if there's another type of Rf7 cherry wood. Alright, so... I mean, here's a comparison of 3 different ones. Like I said, I've seen people with, like, the cherry looks... No, I don't want to see that. Series 3 cherry. Alright, so...
Hey, what's up, YouTube? You want to hold the base?
I guess that is. I mean, even his looks like mine.
I'll stick one on each.
It must just be like... Hold on, let me go back to where he showed like the... There was a part I wanted to see. Because yeah, if... You should be able to read, like... You know what? There's probably other people on eBay selling them. And my phone just died, you guys. So, I guess it's time... Phew. I'm just worn out from that one. I guess it's time to unbox the other one.
Can they see me? Can they see me?
No. Can you guys see the other one over there? I'm going to have to... Yeah, I'm going to have to move this around so this fan's in our way. Oh, no. Luckily, that did not explode. That was a soda, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to come over here. This one I'm going to unbox from my chair.
Hands in the way.
Move this. Move this.
You can't do it right now.
This one, you guys, is going to be the same thing. cherry. I wonder what does natural cherry bee stock mean? Because I swear.
Sorry.
Can they see me?
Yes.
Alright. We're gonna open this one. I'm gonna be exhausted. Alright. I hope there's not a different cherry wood, because that, you guys, will piss me off. Because, yeah, I paid about $2,600, which, yeah, that's considered a good deal and all, but I was expecting, like, at least a little bit of a darker or a lighter cherry wood than this. I mean, that looks like, to me, almost like a walnut, similar to the walnut.
I so love this. Look what it just did.
I know.
I
But
just
it's
love
like,
it.
yeah, dude, like, I don't know what to say about it. Like, it's not, hopefully it's not, there's not a different cherry. Is this, let me look at the back of my other one, though. Because, you know, I want to see if there's, like, a different name before we go any further. No, it just says Rf7 cherry. And this one also says Rf7 natural cherry, but what the heck is bee stock? That's what I'd like to know, you guys. Is there another type of cherry wood? Because that, to me, you guys, is going to irritate me. You know what? Let me, because I'm gonna have to send these back if so, because it's just kind of false advertisement. Because they say cherry, and you look at them. If there's another type of cherry, I wish, like, to know. Here, let me go to eBay. I will be pissed, though, because it's like, otherwise they expect you to pay $4,000, like literally $4,000, $2,000 per speaker. If there's such a thing as called A stock, because there's something called B stock. Like, what the heck is that? Like, they don't tell you this stuff. I mean,
Can you please hurry up, because I need to go to the damn bathroom.
and then she's gonna go to the bathroom while I unbox this. Hold on. Alright, so Rf7. I'll look up the Rf7. So we're gonna look if there's such a thing as an A stock. This one says cherry finish. Now hold on. This does not sound good. How do I go back on this? Oh, that's how. That's walnut. I mean, you guys, this is really disappointing because it's like, is there such a thing as an A stock? Like,
Ty?
yes.
I think your desk is getting low on toilet paper.
Oh, I'll have to let him know.
There's only 3 there. You're down because I'm going to the bathroom.
Oh, here we go. See, but these are also saying the same thing. I may just have to call the guy tomorrow and say these are not what I expected, because I've seen pictures of other people with Rf7. So you know what? We're just going to unbox this, and tomorrow I will call the guy.
What if you're going to have to return it?
And ask him if there's a different kind, because I swear, like I said, you guys, I've seen Rf7s where they're brighter. And, like, I want the brighter cherry wood, like I saw. Are you going to the bathroom?
I'll just probably go later.
I was hoping you'd go up and charge my phone.
You don't have a damn charger down here?
I'm going to find out after I'm done with this video, you guys. I'm finding out if there's a brighter version, because yeah, I swore I even saw one, unless like I said this guy just was able to change the colors with the lights. I swear I saw one that this guy was selling that looked a lot brighter and nicer looking.
Dude, have you seen my white charger, Tyler? It was right there.
No, I have not.
Great. Wow. Now I don't have no fucking Android charger. Great.
You dropped it?
It was right there.
Well, you guys, hold on. We gotta help her find her.
Seriously, it was right there.
Where?
Right here.
I didn't touch it. Found it?
Yes.
Alright, so she found her charger. Okay, so now, get this out. Got the same thing, instructions, which we don't need to open because we already know what that looks like. We need this stand. There's a stand we're going to put on in a second. I wonder if you could put the stand on from the box. We're going to not find that out. I might be able to. So,
let me do this one. You did the last one.
alright, where's the knife? Let me give you it. I don't have the knife on me. What the?
I don't know where you put it.
You told me. I was helping you and now. Yeah, you guys. Maybe, like I said, it could just be lighting, you guys. That is off. But I'm telling you, from pictures and stuff, you'll see, I swear there are brighter, like, not this bright, but like a little lighter. I mean, this to me does not look like cherry. And what the heck is D-Stock? I'd love to know what the heck that is. But for now, I'm probably not going to return these because I bet you if they do have the cherry ones, they're going to want a lot more for those.
Stop bitching about it. You got what you got.
I'll eventually get them if they exist. But that means one more speaker I'm going to have to get, and then it just...
This boy's driving me nuts with speakers and fucking speakers.
So hope there's not one, because then my wife won't be happy, because then there'll be another one I have to buy.
Dude, yeah, when he passed, I have to sell all his stupid speakers.
Oh, yeah, she's just saying that.
No, I'm not going to...
She's going to sell some of them, probably.
Tyler, the only thing I'm keeping is the grandpa one.
The grandpa? You mean the one for... You're so... Anyways,
Can you fucking listen? No, whatever.
Don't say that on the camera. Anyways,
the only thing I'm keeping is that one.
Okay. We don't have to talk about this now. Anyways, so... Oh, I found my knife. Alright. But she's already got it open. But please be careful when opening that part. I'm going to put all this stuff here for now. I'm hoping I can open this next part from here. Okay, this part, I'm going to have to fix that. That's on me. Cool, okay. So from the box, you can actually...
Here.
I gotta carefully take this out. We don't need that yet. From the box, you can actually open that piece. Oh, there's supposed to be something else in one of these boxes. Oh, isn't it? Hey, where did you find those screws last time? There's supposed to be screws with this. Was it in this? Oh. We're gonna need these screws, of course, because we're
Where's the knife?
do that now. Okay, which way is the... You gotta say which way is the speaker so we know which way to screw it in and which way don't. Huh? The knife?
Yeah. Don't tell me you lost it.
You need it again? Here. This fan's gotta get on my way. Like that fan is a pain in the butt. Alright, so we are ready. So, speaker goes this way. So, hopefully, don't want to do that. Alright, so, part I don't like is I don't have much light over here. So you guys, you know what? We're gonna add some light to this situation. And there, because I'm gonna need some light to put these screws in. Now what's so cool about these though is I did notice they have little spikes you can put in, which is kind of unique, because let's say you were going to maybe spike it in the ground somehow, or I don't know, if you were going to do that, you could do that. You got the go off? Okay. Alright, so I need my trusty screwdriver.
His little trusty stick.
Fine. Alright, so we're getting the screw in. Once we deal with this part,
Then we're going up.
then it should come to the easy part. Yeah, I think last time I didn't do it correctly, and you're supposed to do it from the box. I didn't even know that. So that was my bad. I screwed up there.
Yep, he did.
Good news is this one's on a rug, so it should be a lot easier, hopefully, and we won't have any issues getting it out of the box or any of that crap. Need the screw again. We're getting it in there, you guys, and then we'll get it out and get this box out of my way. Okay, good. This one's going in pretty easily. It's the next one, I think, that's always the hardest of all of them. But maybe this time, because we did it from the box somehow, I don't know why this one does look... That is weird. This one's looking a little brighter. Like I said, I don't know, that's weird. It could just be the way the wood was done. The sad thing is I heard the cherry is a finish. I wonder if there's a natural cherry is what I'm wondering. Like, and if that's like a stock, that'll suck because that's one more I have to buy. And I don't need another pair of these. If anything, I'd rather have another pair of the Rf7 Series 1s than Series 3s. Okay, now we're going to carefully take it out of the box. Okay, but first, let's turn it because it's going to obviously have to come out like, well, no. Guess I'm wrong, guys. It's going to have to come out like this. Because, well, hold on. Having a bit of a problem here. I guess we'll do it on back first. We always gotta get it out. That wasn't great. Well, the good news about having the stand is I don't have to pull it. Now that wasn't the greatest. I mean, these are nice speakers, you guys. Like I said, I'm not complaining particularly. You look at their woofers, everything, they're still really nice. It's just, I do wish the cherry, it does say natural cherry. I would love to know what the fuck that is. Like I said, I'm gonna look on clips.com and find out all this info. We got a problem here. Couple problems. Sorry, baby, I gotta put that on you. this is in my way. All that crap is in my way. I can't get through. This stuff's got to get.
Oh, thank you, bitch.
All right. Now the best part. No. Hold that. Hold that grill.
Can I get the fuck up? Sorry.
Yeah, please don't cross that channel. Anyways,
Who are you gonna send it to? Your grandma?
possibly. No, I can't show her. I just have to show her on video. Hope she doesn't see that, because then she can see Bradley of you.
You know I can crop it, right?
Huh?
You know I can crop
Doesn't matter. It's too late. Anyways,
You're just throwing things on me.
is there anything else? Oh, unwrap this. So we can put the grill on when we're ready. Yeah, I'll have you unwrap that. Any work?
I think your grandma's asleep, dude.
Oh, there is a little scratch on the. Well, oh well. Nothing we could do. Oh no. Now this is a problem, guys. I made a mistake. Oh no.
This smells like brand new.
That was dumb.
Here.
Hopefully, I didn't ruin the wood from that which I did. Frack. Well, that was my bad, you guys. Alright. In a second, I'll be able to show you guys what it looks like. And looks a lot like the other one. It is
You
what.
have to move this over there.
Here, give me your phone. I'm just gonna show them. Zoom up and then. Oh, guys, can you see? Oh my, she wrapped this good like a.
You don't even remember.
Yeah. So this is basically my whole set, you guys, if you're wondering. Now, and they are bigger. And there's my other Rf7. There's their surrounds. These are the Rf7 cherry B stock, whatever that means. I mean, yeah, they still shine. They're still nice. But they're not as nice as this. And I'm hoping, like I said, there's not another version of this, because that's going to drive me crazy. But yeah, I think that's going to be it, you guys. How do I flip it around so you guys can see me? I'll let her hold it. I think that's going to be it, you guys. That's my R7 Series 3 unboxing. I'm exhausted. Unboxing.
Please not. He's just lying.
And I see what I was supposed to do, and I screwed up. That was my bad. Alright, you guys. Well, that's going to be it. Peace out, you guys.